Welcome back, everybody, to the Tyronia Hotseat. Just gonna jump in right here. You know who I am and who I'm playing as, so I'm not gonna get into that whole introduction part right now. I messed up, sorry. I put in the password for the Age of Petty Kings Hotseat instead. Let's see, end turn report. Let's see. We are basically dead last in everything. The thing that concerns me, though, is England is leading in military right now, which is interesting, though, because normally it's like the Timurids or something. That is interesting to me that it's not either of these guys here as well. England only has 3 provinces from what I see, so it must be just the level of their troops. And then they have better knights than everybody else, so maybe that has something to do with it. I'm going to leave Captain Eon there. And we're going to keep moving King Edward towards Terre. I should have put a watchtower there. Oh well. Stefan can keep moving this way, towards High Guard. Oh, apologies for any background noise you hear. It is raining. Well, it's not raining yet, but let me turn down the volume. For some reason, the main volume's way too loud. I don't mind having the game loud, but just when I'm sitting here trying to talk and some Scottish guy is trying to talk over me, it makes it hard. Plus, I'm a little rusty with the controls because I've been playing a lot of Crusader Kings since I bought that game, and I'm considering doing a series on it. The only thing is, though, it's I'd have to edit it a lot because there's a lot of times in that game where nothing happens, so you'd have to edit a lot. Alright, so we were moving a boat. We were building a boat here to train or to get this guy across to talk to Papal States, Venice. Spain might come to me. I think he has a diplomat over here, but we're moving him across this way. He's going to talk to maybe Venice first, then go this way, and then we'll get updated map information from our allies over here. And I'm not really sure after that, honestly. That'll be all the human players. Oh, we could probably put him back on the boat after that and come around here, and he can make his way to Russia. Unless Russia finds us first, because I have my diplomat probably around here somewhere, honestly. I'm not sure. There is thunder outside. If I didn't mention that, I think I might already have. We're making good money. Can we train more troops here? Can get more. Let's get more of those guys. I do need to build a chapel somewhere, though. Building a port there. See, land clearance here would give us how much more? I mean, that's a lot of money. Let's just build land clearances, and so what about here? How much more money is this place? Oh god, the tax, this place. Ooh, okay, I mean, it's not totally worth it. I think we can probably find somewhere else where it'd be worth it. What are our most profitable settlements? Let's look at the most profitable settlements first. Settlements, income. Okay, High Guard. We're already building something at High Guard. And Canmore Keep. Okay, let's get Canmore Keep up to standards. It's hard, though. Should probably get... Let's just get land clearances in all these places. Gonna get there, we're gonna get here, we'll get at all these places. That'll increase our money. Not substantially, but enough. I want to be able to sustain ourselves. Oh, I just noticed a Papal States boat here. There's nobody on the boat though, so
we do not seek any trouble with you.
Maybe he lost a battle with some rebels or something, and that's why his fleet's over here. I don't know. Really don't know. But that's basically the turn, though. There's not much else for me to do. I mean, I could train another troop or something. I want to save this last 500 just to go into my next turn. But here we'll be able to make good money because if you look at the settlement details, that's going to increase our trade a lot. It'll give us an extra 200. Plus, see, we'll be up probably another 300-400 a turn when all these farms go in. So that'll take 2 turns. Okay, and then this will be done in 1 turn. I could build stuff here and here next turn. Probably here. I should probably go. Oh, I'd save up my money actually next turn and build a drill square here so we can get some Highland nobles because I need some better troops. Kind of a short turn though. That's basically it. If this is short enough, I might combine it with the next turn, depending on how the next turn's going to go. But that is a turn. Pass it on to Disco Jouster. Make sure you check out everyone else's channel in the description below, and I'll see you next time.